What's up, guys? It's Double Nicks, and today I'm going to be talking to you about ticker symbol QSG. I'll say it again. QSG, also known as Quanta Group Limited. Now, before we get started, ladies and gentlemen, be sure to check out our $5 Discord where you can learn everything that we have and every bit of knowledge we have about IPOs, as well as news about IPOs and upcoming IPOs and our videos about IPOs. And you could stay notified about any content we do having to do with IPOs, like this one. So, be sure to check that out. Now, without further ado, you must be wondering why I have this website with the Chinese text on it. And honestly, I can't really read it, but this is actually the website for the stock that I'm going to be looking at right here. And I have my information right here. So let's get started. Firstly, Quanta Group Limited, which is the name of the company, IPOs on January 19th or 20th. The IPO is somewhere there, 2023. It's going to be IPOing to the NASDAQ exchange. And the price is going to be between $11.50 to $13.50. So the price it's all right for an IPO. And again, this is my opinion. Don't go based off of what I say. I'm not a stock professional. I'm not a stock advisor. Do your own due diligence. But in my opinion, it's a little high for an IPO. But, again, that's just my opinion. Now, the shares that they're going to be offering are 3,250,000, and the deal size is going to be $40.63 million, which is quite a lot of money. This is obviously, as you can see here, a Chinese company founded back in 2019, and they are actually in the consumer discretionary industry. And they basically focus on diversified consumer services in their sector. Now, the company has a whopping 2,269 employees, which is quite a bit, if I may say so myself. That's a lot of employees. They're like a medium-sized company, bordering large-sized company. Now, these guys are an online service provider. They're a learning service provider in China's adult learning market for personal interest courses. So they're basically among the top 5 service providers in China's adult learning market in terms of revenue, which is actually pretty impressive. That's a pretty good feat, actually. They have online courses for adult learners under various brands such as Qinu, Jiangzhen, and Qianxi. I hope I pronounced that right. In June of 2022, they launched their enterprise talent management to provide customers with talent assessment training as well as learning services for internal employee management. So basically, these guys were providing lessons for people that want to go into a certain field of work, or maybe they are already in that field of work and they have some sort of tidbits that they're not too knowledgeable about. That's where these guys come in, and they basically help adults either do better at their jobs or go into a profession that they want to go into, from what I'm understanding here. Now, these services actually allowed them to broaden their service offerings and basically evolve into a two-sided service provider for both individuals and enterprises. So these guys actually do work for individual people as well as enterprises. So as far as my opinion on the matter, I'm not going to pre-buy this personally. I don't think I should pre-buy it, but I will keep an eye at the open and see what happens. I mean, this is a Chinese company, and a lot of these Chinese companies, what they do is they tend to go up with IPOs, but again, I'm not a stock professional. I'm not a stock advisor. Do your own due diligence. These are my opinions. These are my thought processes. And I'm just going based off of what I've seen in the past. And normally Chinese IPOs tend to be the flavor of the day when it comes to IPOs. So as far as that's concerned, that's what I think. I'm not going to pre-buy it. I'm going to wait, see what happens at the open, and that'll kind of determine my next course of action. So that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to be notified when new videos are coming out. That's it for me, folks. Again, not a stock professional, not a stock advisor. Do your own due diligence. Do not be in my comments section saying, "Oh, I lost my." I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. So, that's it for me. It's Double Nicks. I love you guys, and I'm out of here. Peace. Bye bye.